Good afternoon. We're in downtown Raleigh, and today we're catching the Museum of History's last weekend before it's closed for a 2-year renovation. So come on inside and check it out with us. So I've lived here for 23 years, and this is probably, in those 23 years, I've been to this museum probably about 3 or 4 times max. But we thought, when the stupid motorcycle leaves, we thought, let's check it out one last time. Check out what it looks like now, so when we come back in 2 years, what the renovations will be. Let them just like remove a wall or something. And it takes 2 years to do that. So it's been so long since I've even been here. I don't even know the sections or whatever. So I guess we'll just start here. And should we go left or right? Let's go right. Look like everyone else is going to the left. Usually you go to a place and they tell you, don't touch. They hear you, get to touch. But you can't pick it up. You can touch it. That's about it.
Michael, from here, has turned up in Ohio. Trade, just as it is today, was a way to acquire things from other places that could make life better. So, to Salem and later one product. Their primary interest was gold and also finding route.
We got a conquistador helmet here. Look, Indian butt. Now we're walking into the Pirates exhibit here. So this is a replica of what they think the Queen Anne's Revenge, Blackbeard's ship, would have looked like. Now we're gonna look for some pirate booty.
Which is funny because that's where they after they have to break the door and they would still.
Ooh, look at this guy right here. He's kind of scary. That guy right there. Look at that face. This is a nice museum that shows the history of the state. I mean, you start all the way from the Indians, go to the Germans coming over, now like English and, you know, more modern day stuff going on. So we're gonna go inside the Robson Moore Wichard Taylor House, known as the 4th oldest dwelling in North Carolina. I'm assuming this is a replica, not the actual house. one thing I do realize is when you come to places like this, you probably want to do it like on a weekday early, because if not, you have tons of people around you and you can't record like you like to, or you get delayed because they're standing around looking and you can't film. This is interesting. In 1800, if you look over where Wake is, there's Wake, Orange, and Chatham. So there's no Durham County 1800, but then you look in 1850. Well, let's just go back up here again. Look how big Buncombe is. And then 50 years later, now they broke that up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different counties. I think it's even more now. But if you go back to 1850, they still didn't have Durham County.
Okay, so here you go. So here's Wake today, and then right up, so right next to Orange County would be Durham.
Yeah.
In today's world.
But see, in 1850, Durham County still didn't even exist.
Right. So I don't know when.
So choosing sides, loyalty to the country or the state. What side would I choose? Probably the state, since I think all states should be broken up and have our own laws anyway.
And they would not allow federal troops to pass through North Carolina to make war on fellow Southerners.
Here's a cool little model here. Not as cool as the Beetlejuice model. Oh, I so want this whiskey bottle right here. That is so cool. Of course, we know people don't like talking about this, but it was a part of history, and history should never be muted like we like doing. It's history, it's over. Don't forget.
By 1877, the Democrats held enough power nationally to end military occupation of the South. For all of the land, the events of the Reconstruction era.
Look, this will be the new mask for Terrifier Part 4. North Carolina is home to Earl Scruggs, and Thelonious Monk. Thelonious is born in Rocky Mount in 1917. So did you know that during World War II, more members of the armed services were trained here in North Carolina than any other state? Here's a map that shows ships sunk by U-boats here in North Carolina waters during World War II. Look at all these. That's a lot of ships sunk.